Proper maintenance doesn't always just cost. It can actually save you money. Here's why. Failure to maintain your refrigerator causes the compressor to run hotter and run longer to do the same job. When the compressor runs hot, it consumes more electricity than a compressor running at the proper temperature, resulting in higher utility bills, and the heat it generates must be removed from your home by your central air conditioner. That costs too. So electricity bills are not just the only expense. Equipment expenses are a real factor too. For example, hair that's sucked under your refrigerator can make its way into the coils, causing the fans and compressor to work harder to cool. And a compressor running hot can fail prematurely. That $2,000 side-by-side you thought you'd get 20 to 30 years of life out of can fail in the first 10 years of use if not maintained properly. So maintaining your refrigerator can save you electricity and costly repair or replacement expenses, and A Bargain Appliance Repair has a unique program specifically designed to make it easy for you to avoid surprises.